Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I have a earning application from where you can earn money, and in this video you can get literally a pure earning application where you can do surveys, where you can complete offers, where you can scratch your car, where you can spin the wheel and everything. So to download this application you just need to go in Play Store and search money maker or something like that. Make money or make, I'll keep link in comment box pinned. So you just need to agree the terms and condition after reading it, and you need to log in. Again, you will get this type of interface where there is daily reward and offers, wheels, lucky card, refer, redeem, and etc. So if you click in claim your daily reward, you will get 15 points, and if you click in offers, you will get offers of offer Toro, AYD Studio, poll fees, etc. If you click in wheel, you will get that wheel and you need to spin that wheel and you will get points. So there is lucky cards. You just need to click on lucky cards and scratch that card. There is an option called refer and earn. You will, if you refer a friend, you will get 10% of referral, and yeah, you will, if you refer a friend and if the referral point is 100, then you will get 10%, that is 10 points. So I'm not opening any of the options because it's literally very hard to use this application. I will explain later. So in order to redeem, you just need to click on redeem and you will get this type of interface where your payments will be sent in each 15th of month, and there is options of PayPal and Bitcoin. Please ignore that Bitcoin if you live in Nepal, and Free Fire, Paytm, Payoneer, Skrill, Steam, Xbox. So in order to withdraw in PayPal to $5, you just need to click in $5 and earn 6,000 points, and to earn $10 you just need to earn 12,000 points. To earn $15 you just need to earn 18k points, and to earn $20 you need to earn 24k coins. So thanks so much for watching this video. As a user experience, I had got a lot of ads in this app, and I guess it's literally very fake application, and please don't download please don't download this type of application if you live in Nepal or abroad. So this type of application, just take your time and just take your valuable things and datas and etc. Request for everyone to not to download this type of application. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification